almost 11 p.m. right now here, but there is hospital for hours. Thank you guys be with me and seeing me even you are not talk. Thank you for listening. Oh, I'm so afraid. I was taking my medicine for afraid. I've been so afraid. There was some I'm posting on. I'm not going to live stream today, but just someone in my mind, something in my mind say I should go live streaming because I'm so alone and I'm so afraid with bleeding. You know, bleeding is so dangerous. If we too much bleeding, of course. Thank you so much for being with me, guys. Even you not only not talk. Thank you so much. What I saw doing today is just waiting for until morning and go to hospital. Many say just like normal menstruation. Yeah, something like that, but I don't know. I'm so afraid because I was bleeding or even just chocolate. But soon today, too much. I'm so afraid. I was sleep after I go back to my from my office. I was sleep and then I wake up. And I should go sleep. Thank you. 35 evening. Ah, I got medicine, so many medicine to eat. But look at my face. Oh God, what I should do? I cannot going to work tomorrow.